for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Jessie's Wig. I've collaborated with Jessie's Wig a long time ago. As always, I'm super excited to have them back. So today what I have installed is a 20-inch 5x6 pre-cut, pre-plucked glueless wig. This is in the wavy layered texture. As you can see, it is cut curtain bang style. And then we have the layers here as well.
But sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
It comes in a roller, but I feel like you still need to, you know, fix the curls.
Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you.
I'm gonna push the hair forward. It's kind of curling outwards. I don't want it to curl outwards. I want it to curl inwards. Bumping the ends and like kind of holding it.
You really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once.
Basically, it's just recurling the curls until you finally get it the way that you want it.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love.
It's super beginner friendly, super easy to wear, glueless. Now I did cut a little tiny bit of that lace off because I noticed that it was kind of curling under and I didn't want that look. Now I would say this is a very natural looking wig. This is very much like for a mother, office lady, someone who, you know, doesn't like a lot of hair and doesn't like long wigs. This is definitely a bit out of my comfort zone. For some reason, I don't know what it is, but something about it is just giving me very much mature. Taking some time to get used to it. It does come pretty long, so you can cut them a little bit shorter and you can wear it like fully in your face. I do like the layers here. I did touch up the layers just a little bit as well, but it's layered very nicely, and when you bump it under, it's super cute. I'm glad that I tried it on. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, if you like it or if you have some ideas for some other styles that I can try with this wig. I'm kind of like, I'm not sure what other styles I could do. Like maybe I can like put it up a little bit. Okay, yeah, we can put it up in a claw clip. Let me see if I can find that. Okay, and the claw clip, very cute, very much giving.
Phone, tell me where you be, 'cause I gotta know.
I'm gonna link this wig in the description box for you if this is something that you want to purchase and try out for yourself at home. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for being here with me, and I hope I didn't keep you long. All right, guys.
Where you be, 'cause I got